Today it's the 30th of October 2021 and we have Solkikuja. Kone 1 to 3, building 1 stick is B. We've just been to the building 1 stick is A here. It's in Myyrmäki, Vantaa, Västra Vantaa, Western Vantaa in the Helsinki-Helsingfors region, Finland, Finland. And the capacity is 4 persons, so 325 rooms. We just found one more area with 1990s, so we're going to film here. There are 4 floors here, and it was built in 1994 by Kone with no nice pictures. Turned 25 years old in 2019, this is number 67966. Will be inspected in 2023. With 4 floors, very nice. Possibly early 1994.
Yeah.
Next to this, there is a lot of 1998 in the elevators, which we're gonna get to later, but we filmed the open ones.
Yeah.
Or I don't know if the neighboring one is from 1998, but we'll see it later.
Yeah.
Sunshine.
Sitten vaikka väistyttää, että me eteenpäin on.
And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's